Okay, so I've been to the back sink area and I've washed all the parts. It's no rocket science, just wash the parts, make sure there's no milk or product inside them. You clean in here with your Brullen brush there as well. Take out your draw valve and pour it in apart. So what we're going to do now is the assembly of the machine. So I always start with the mix hopper, put the agitator in first. Here. Like so. And now I'll do the beater assembly. So with Brullen beaters in the 91, there's no boot seal and no lubricant required on here. Most machines do, but it just makes more room for error and an extra thing that can be put together wrong. These are your scraper blades. This is part of your tune-up kit and must be replaced every 3 months. The blades are nice and sharp and they spin around and cut the nice hard soft serve off the freezer cylinder. So every quarter you change these and a set of O-rings. And it's critical for good quality product and a profitable machine. So we go to the beater assembly. The blades go on this way. It's the sharp sides there. And then the shoulder clips. This way. Ooh, we'll get it. Yeah. That one's on the wrong way. So you see the little notch there? It goes on there. Yeah. Okay. Blades, shoulder clips, hold them all together. Insert that in your nice clean freezer cylinder. And you spin it until it clips in. Push them right back. Like so. So it's inside the machine there. And that won't turn. Always check it. Okay. Now the freezer door. So we grab, go this way. Our lubricant, it just goes on these O-rings here, not up here. And you wipe it around. So it makes the O-rings last longer and also seal better because it's moving up and down every time you draw a product out of it. Put it inside the door, with the cut towards the front. Reason being the handle goes inside there. Push him all the way down. Rear shell bearing, don't forget that, otherwise you'll do damage to your cylinder and cost a lot of money. Freezer door seal, don't put lubricant on that one. Make sure it gets a good fit in there, like so. And I'll hold him like this. Grab the bolts. Come over the machine. So hold it on firm with your hand so the O-ring on the door doesn't move out of place. If it moves out of place, you'll fill the machine and mix will be leaking at the front door. Put them on hexagonal like this. Make sure it pulls the door in nice and flat and even. Don't do them too tight. Oops. Okay, just do them up hand tight. Each corner, like I said, spreading it out so it pulls the door in nice and flat. There's no gaps around the edge. Then we get our door handle and our design cap. Oops. Another mistake. Rushing is too much, see? Again, this is what not to do. Put your handle in first. Pin. Make sure it operates correctly. Then you put the last one on. Perfect. That's assembly done.